Alright people, today we're changing out the EGR valve on the Pontiac Trans Am LS1. Just bought this car, so it's pretty dirty. I've been working on it, doing some changes, updated all the pulleys, water pump, little things. Has 225,000 miles, but still runs good. So that's the EGR valve. Just take out those screws, this, and change it. Make sure you unplug the battery. Let's do it. This EGR look funky as shit. Looks like they found it in a fucking swamp. Put that shit on it. Well, that's going to the trash. And we got one from Summit Racing. Comes with a new little gasket. Sometimes with these Trans Am engines, people make the mistake of adding sealant and shit. You're not supposed to. When I took out the water pump, I had all this fucking sealant, which was causing it to leak all over the leak a lot of the fucking water, what you call it, antifreeze. Like, Merry Christmas. Look at that. Brand new from Summit Racing. Let's put this on. You gotta make sure it's pretty clean, that nothing had there's no kind of fucking dirt that's gonna cause it to fucking have a little leak. I mean, I don't think it matters, but because I'm not a mechanic and I don't know, but just make sure it's clean and even, because that gasket needs to be on right. And that's it. Nice and new, clean EGR valve.